to JellyBeanDIYs. Today we're making the cutest organizer ever. First, take a cute paper and cardboard pieces. Add to us centimeter pieces. Centerpiece. 22 by 3 cm. Now use glue to stick the cardboard onto the paper carefully. After that, cut the corners of the paper and fold and paste them neatly on the cardboard. Next, stick another paper on top to make everything look clean and pretty. Now for my favorite part, I use different colored ribbons and glue them on to make this organizer extra cute and aesthetic. Time to add my favorite adorable pins. Our cute organizer is all done. It looks so pretty. Oh, thanks for watching, cuties. Ta-da! Oh, how does it look? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JellyBeanDIYs.